Good morning. Life becomes more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you will never get the same moment twice. So, dear students, a very good morning. Today we are going to start the poem Topsy Turvy Land of chapter number 2 by H.E. Wilkinson. So, dear students, do you know the meaning of a word fantasy? Okay, before explaining the word, let me remind you a TV advertisement. In this, some kids enter into a world where everything is made up of chocolates. What do you think? Is it possible? Okay, you must have seen cartoons like Chota Bheem, etc. These cartoons are nothing but the imagination of the directors to make kids laugh and learn while staying indoors. There is no place on earth named Dholakpur, etc. But the best thing about the cartoons is that they teach you that never lose hope. Try again, and lot many good teachings. So, dear student, the things you care you are not capable of doing, you just fulfill those things in your dreams or fantasies. So here also in the poem we will have a trip to an imaginary world that is totally different from ours. This place is named as Topsy Turvy Land. Let us talk about some amazing or surprising things of this area. First of all, I will recite the poem, then I will explain it. So let's start. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in Topsy Turvy Land. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in Topsy Turvy Land. And buses on the sea you will meet while pleasure boats are playing. To travel up and down the streets of Topsy Turvy Land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you are coming back in Topsy Turvy Land. So, in this place is quite different from ours. Here, people walk upon their heads, unlike ours. We walk upon our legs. The another strange thing is on this land, the sea is made up of sand instead of water as ours. We all get ready and come to school during the day. But in Topsy Turvy Land, children go to school during night time. The front door step of the house is at the back of the house. You can understand it like this, that the entrance of the houses is at the back of every house. The meanings of the words are also different. Like if they are standing still, they call it walking. The people of the land used to wear hats on their feet. Every logic of our land fails here. They have just different rules. Another strange thing is that the buses of this land travels on the sea and boats for enjoyment and relaxation moves up and down on the streets. Isn't it surprising for you? Again, totally opposite words and meanings. When anybody pay, he would never get anything. But in our culture, in our world, if we pay for anything, if one is going to, if one in going in Topsy Turvy Land, that it means he is coming. So it is totally an imaginary land. In actual, it is not possible, but at least they thing about it is that it takes us to a fantasy land. For sometimes where we have fun, only and only fun, and no place for any fear or tension. So the poem suggests us that whenever you feel like sad, tense, then have a ride to your any fantasy land and forget everything for some time and relax and enjoy. Never lose hope. there is always a next time. So enjoy good food, family, everything, and thank to the Almighty God for His blessings. Stay fit, stay healthy. God bless you all and have a nice day.